Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Instagram shopping login issues, business account errors step by step clearly. Open Instagram and confirm you are logged into the correct account that owns the shop. Go to your profile, tap the menu, then go to Settings and Privacy. Tap Account Type and Tools, and make sure you are using a professional account. If you are on a creator account, switch to Business and select the correct category. Return to Settings and Privacy. Tap Account Center, and check your connected Facebook profile. If the wrong Facebook profile is connected, remove it and connect the correct one. Open the Meta Business Suite on a browser and log in with the same Facebook profile. Go to Business Settings and verify you can see your business manager and assets. Click Accounts, then Instagram Accounts, and confirm your Instagram is added and active. Click Pages and confirm the correct Facebook page is added to the same business. Click Data Sources, then Catalogs, and confirm your product catalog exists and is owned by the business. If there is no catalog, create one and assign it to your business and your page. Go to Users, then People, and ensure your user has admin access to the business. Go to Accounts, then Catalogs, then assign partners or people, and give yourself full catalog permissions. Go to Accounts, then Pages, and confirm you have full control or admin access on the page. On Instagram, go to Settings and Privacy, then Business Tools and Controls, then Shopping. If shopping is missing, go to Professional Dashboard and look for Set Up Instagram Shopping. Tap Get Started and select the correct catalog link to your business. If you see an eligibility error, open Account Status in Instagram and read the exact policy flag. Fix any policy issues by removing restricted products and updating product titles and images. Check your website domain and business settings, then brand safety, then domains. Verify the domain with Meta using DNS or HTML, and confirm it shows as verified. In Events Manager, confirm Pixel or Conversions API is not required for shopping login, but fix any major account warnings. Update Instagram to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. Clear the Instagram app cache, or uninstall and reinstall the app to refresh login tokens. Turn off VPN or proxy, switch to a stable network, and try logging in again. Enable two-factor authentication in Account Center and complete any security checkpoints. Try setting up shopping again, and if the error persists, contact Meta Support from Business Suite Help with screenshots. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.